So doTERRA also has some incredible products to help lower inflammation in our bodies. And so I'm going to share a few of my favorites for pain. So I have to start with this one because it actually comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't experience less pain and more energy. So you can't really beat that. So Lifelong Vitality is a 3-pack set, 3 bottles. It has your multivitamin. Which one is it here? It has your multivitamin. It has your omegas, and it has your cellular energy complex. And so basically all 3 of them together include like 12 servings of organic fruits and vegetables, wild-crafted organic superfoods, bioavailable nutrients and minerals that are not synthetic, so your body can actually absorb it and use it like it would food, plant and marine omegas, immune-boosting, antioxidant-rich essential oils, like frankincense and clove and some of those amazing essential oils that really boost immunity and lower inflammation. It also has tummy tamer oil. So each one of them has like tummy tamer oils like ginger and peppermint and things like that that help your body be able to absorb it better. It also is non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free. It helps with energy, focus, digestive issues, liver and immune support, cardiovascular health, stress management, bone health, healthy skin, hair, and nails, and just so many things. It's just like when you feed your body what it needs and fill those gaps, you're just going to feel better. Someone figured out like how many foods and supplements and things like that it would take to actually for those bottles, and it is incredible. It costs hundreds of dollars, and it'd just be really hard to like recreate that. doTERRA actually was given they actually gave the person that created these an unlimited budget to be able to like create the best supplements that you can buy. So they're amazing. A customer testimony that I have from Shelly, she says, I was struggling with plantar fasciitis. I had been to the doctor and followed all the recommendations, including a cortisone shot in the foot. Nothing helped. I started Lifelong Vitality, and after a couple of weeks, my foot didn't hurt anymore. It was incredible. The supplements reduce inflammation from the inside out. No inflammation, no pain. I take them every day and hope to never be without them. So there's like so many other testimonies that I could share, but I have a few other things I want to share tonight too. So another product that is super popular with doTERRA is our Deep Blue. Most people have seen this and used it. And if you haven't, it's amazing. It's amazing for like lowering inflammation. So most topical pain creams are generally just over-the-counter irritants with a cooling sensation that numbs the area, whereas Deep Blue, it actually has powerful healing essential oils that decrease inflammation and heal the body from the inside out. It comes in it comes in a couple different ways. It comes in like a roll-up thing for like more targeted, like if you have like a place you just want to rub it on and not get it on your hands. It comes in a lotion form. You can get it in the oil and just make your own like lotions, or add it, or maybe even add a drop to your lotion to make it even stronger. And it also comes in a supplement. It is 100% natural. It provides maximum over-the-counter strength plant-based menthol. A few testimonies is from Tina. She says, I love it. This works quicker than BioFreeze. I have one in my bedroom, so if I get leg cramps in the middle of the night, it's handy. Lori said, we call it the magic stick. Becky says it really helps with degenerative disc disease. Carrie said it helps my back pain so much. Denise said it's the best topical I've ever used. Kate said with multiple chronic joint and muscle pain, it is a godsend. The Deep Blue capsules are amazing. My husband loves these. Great alternative to over-the-counter ibuprofen, etc. I love this. It has Indian frankincense, turmeric, ginger, curcumin, resveratrol, and other polyphenols like peppermint, caraway seed, and just really, really amazing. My husband was hurt when he's a physical therapist, and at work he was injured a little bit with one of the big kids, and he was limping, and he tried a few things, but when he tried the capsules, within about a couple of weeks, the pain was gone and he wasn't limping and was just better. So love the Deep Blue line. It's phenomenal. I love sampling that one to people because like I know that within about 5 minutes they're going to notice a difference and feel less pain. So love that. Another one that I really love is Copaiba. And it is actually added to the stick. So you get the Deep Blue oils in this plus the Copaiba. But copaiba by itself, it's one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories known to man. It's a really good alternative to CBD oil. It's way less expensive for a therapeutic dose, with many of the same benefits that people seek CBD oil for. So it affects the same CB2 receptors throughout your body, but it has a direct effect rather than that indirect effect of the CBD oil. And you don't have to worry about the THC because it is sourced from the Copaiba tree. So different plant altogether without the effects that some people might, or maybe the drug testing that they're afraid of if they take CBD oil. So it's interesting. A few years ago, Dr. Goff had like 4 case studies of his patients that were addicted to opioids for pain. And he was able to wean them off opioids with Copaiba, and they used that instead. And so we actually used that Copaiba with our Chihuahua, Bella, when she was having seizures every day. A drop of this every day for her internally actually kept her from having seizures for the rest of her life. So that was pretty special. One lady said that she had tried all forms of CBD oil with zero help, but a couple of drops of the deep blue and turmeric, which I'm going to talk about next, and she felt better than she had in years. Another lady said she had tremors her whole life, and Copaiba under her tongue every day was the only thing that's ever steadied her hands. We love to take this every day. We like to keep it in our bathroom, so don't forget to take it internally. We just put a couple drops under our tongue because it supports so much of your body. It's just like you have those, CBD receptors throughout your whole body, so it can really help with neurological issues, with pain, with anxiety, with so many things. I love Copaiba. It also comes in a soft gel, so you can take it internally. We take those at night right now. So turmeric is another one. Emily Wright said, she's the president of dōTERRA, and she said turmeric essential oil is like turmeric herb on steroids. And then Jessica Travis, she's a nurse practitioner. She stated that if turmeric had been invented by the pharmaceutical industry, it would have been hailed as the biggest breakthrough in medical history. There are over 300 compounds in turmeric essential oil, including curcumin. And then turmeric alone, like the powder, actually is not really bioavailable by the body, hardly at all. So black pepper actually can increase that bioavailability a little bit. But the supplement, this right here, it actually increases the bioavailability 11 times because it's the turmeric botanical with the essential oil. So you're using more of the plant together in a capsule, and it helps your body absorb the turmeric so much better. So love the capsules too. They're amazing. The best turmeric you can buy right here. You can see it like if you open it up, it like has the powder on one side and the oil on the other. And so one other thing I was going to share real quickly is the Aroma Touch. This is such a great blend for pain. Amazing. It's called the Massage Blend. It's great for muscle aches and pains, for tension, for neuropathy. So good for that. There's also other oils like peppermint's good for like headaches or migraines. You can put a drop on the roof of your mouth and kind of press it there and help that. Another blend that I forgot to grab is Past Tense. It's so good for headaches and things like that. There's quite a few options here, but vitamins are guaranteed, 30-day money back guarantee. Deep Blue is a favorite. So many people use that and with such great results. And it's so nice to have something natural for our pain rather than resorting to like over the counters and things like that just kind of is that Band-Aid instead of like that healing from the inside out. So anyway, those are some of my favorites. I hope you'll try some of them. And I know you're going to see great results with whatever you try. They're such great products. We use them so often and love having them here for all the things that happen, the bumps, the bruises, all that. So anyway, take care, and we'll talk to you soon.